western Collin County in north-central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Copper Canyon, or over Corinth, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm capable of very large hail. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Denton, Louisville, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Hickory Creek, and Shady Shores around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Little Elm and Crossroads around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Frisco and Prosper around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Salina around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Louisville Lake, Oak Point, Lincoln Park, Lakewood Village, Providence Village, Weston, and Lake Ray Roberts. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 469. Interstate 79 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 448 and 466. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill,